If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, baked a cake, baked a cake. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake. How'd you do, how'd you do, how'd you do? Had you dropped me a letter, I'd have hired a band.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a vegan Oreo ice cream cake. So what could be any better than that? Let's get started. You are going to need some dairy-free Cool Whip, some peanut butter ice cream, some Oreo ice cream, and some Oreos. You could even use the golden Oreos as you so please. And yeah, you just need a cake pan, and I think that's it. Step number one is putting the Oreo ice cream into the cake pan, and we use a silicone cake pan so that it would be easier removing than a regular cake pan. So we just put that in. It would be better if you melted it, but you don't necessarily have to. You're just going to start patting that down with a spatula, making it nice and smooth so we can create our second layer. Next layer is going to be your Oreos. We decided it was a good idea to crush up Oreos in those little plastic baggies, and it wasn't going so great because we were creating holes in the bag, which wasn't a good idea. So we ended up just pouring those into a bowl and crushing it up with a spoon. Then you're going to sprinkle on the next layer of the crushed up Oreos. Next up, we are taking our peanut butter ice cream, and this is the Breyers non-dairy ice cream. This one was more melted than the Oreo ice cream that we put in at first, which spread a lot easier, so I do recommend that you melt your ice cream before spreading it. Then you're going to want to put that in the fridge overnight, and here's me putting it in the fridge and then acting a fool. So I actually ended up going home, and Michelle stuck the ice cream cake into the freezer. And I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but Michelle is my brother's girlfriend, and she was making an ice cream cake because of her birthday. So yes, she's just icing the cake with the So Delicious dairy-free whip, and then she's going to place it back into the freezer overnight. To top off the cake, we're going to be taking some Oreos, cutting them in half, and placing those however you want onto the cake.